Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Exam Dose 365. So we are continue this series on top most idiom and phrases. We are continue our 800 top most idiom and phrases which comes in various competitive examinations such as SSC, DRDO and various state examination in English section. So objective of this series is to learn 800 most common used idiom and phrase in English language. These 800 idiom and phrases comes in various SSC and DRDO examination. And second is the expand your knowledge to listen and speaking and working. And this series also help in the examination. A brief introduction about me. Myself, Pawan Sharma, complete my BTech in Analytical from MMU and got the third rank in department. Clear SSC and Railway examination and also clear BRPLS examination. So we will start our session with first idiom. So the first idiom is at will one with. Literally means that confused हो जाना या puzzle हो जाना. Just like we are getting puzzled when after 12th when we are deciding to take bio or engineering. Sorry, in the 10th the student get confused which stream he will choose, bio or math. For math they get the engineering branch in future, or in biology they get the medical. So they literally confused. This idiom used in the English sentence. The confused student was at will's end because he did not know what to do after graduation. This also means that after graduation, many students did not know what to do or what to not to do. Next one is at stake. At stake means danger, खतरा. Just like अगर आप कहीं खतरे में हो तो जब आप idiom यूज करते हो at stake means that in खतरा, in danger. Uses intention was naturally high for a game with so much at stake. Next one is play to the gallery. Play to the gallery literally means to behave in an exaggerate way to attract people attention. लोगों का ध्यान attract करने के लिए हम इस idiom का literally use करते हैं. If we use in this idiom in English, we say she is a great basketball player, but she spent more time playing to the gallery than playing to the game. Just like she is a good basketball player, but she literally giving more time to attract people attention just for famous or something else. Next one is play to the gallery. Play to the gallery and means be fooling the common man. लोगों को उल्लू बनाना, जैसे कहते हैं ना कि भोले भाले जनता का उल्लू बना रहे हैं. Just like in election time, the politician come in your area and just giving a number of promise that he will do this or that, but after election they will just forget all the promise. So the uses in the English, politicians these days are made more interested in playing to the gallery than exercising real influence on world event. Next one is read between the line. Read between the line means अंडरस्टैंड द हिडन मीनिंग. बातों के बीच का मतलब समझना. जस्ट लाइक दो लोग कुछ और बात कर रहे हैं पर आप उसके बीच के एक स्टेटमेंट या बीच के जो इमोशन होता है आप उसको पकड़ रहे हैं कि हाँ ये इसका ये कहना चाहता है. जस्ट लाइक अनटोल्ड थिंग्स. यूज इन इंग्लिश he reading the letter, he read between the lines. Just like a person reading the letter and he try to understand the real meaning of this letter. Sitting on the fence. Sitting on the fence literally means confused रहना कि which side he will take. Just like we are going a place and going a restaurant and we order then we are confused, we order veg or non veg. Just like हम लोग रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं और जब हमें मेन्यू कार्ड दिया जाता है तो हम लोग कंफ्यूज होते हैं कि वेज ऑर्डर करें या नॉन वेज ऑर्डर करें. तो वहाँ पर हम लोग यूज करते हैं सिटिंग ऑन द फेंस. Uses English are given there, so they are sitting on the fence and refuse to commit themselves. Next one is no love lost between. No love lost between is not on the good term. Means वो अच्छे पोजीशन में नहीं है इस टाइम. Use in English they both want to get this job, but there was a no love lost between them. Just like two person are going for an interview and there is only one position, so the CEO will decide which will get the job. So both are in the bad condition or not in the good condition, so they have to decide which have to give the job. Next one is to have, not to lack or to stand on, means that आपके पास सबूत ना होना या किसी चीज को तत्व को प्रूफ करने के लिए आपके पास एविडेंस नहीं होना, तो वहाँ पर हम यूज करते हैं टू नॉट टू हैव नॉट ए लैक टू स्टैंड ऑन। जस्ट लाइक आप कोर्ट में जाते हैं, कोर्ट में केस होता है, पुलिस अरेस्ट करती है एक्सक्यूज को, या जस्ट लाइक एक्सक्यूज को अरेस्ट करती है, उसको कोर्ट में प्रोड्यूस करती है, बट उनके पास एविडेंस नहीं होते हैं, तो वहाँ से वो बेल लेके छूट जाती है, कोर्ट केस को रद्द कर देती है। तो दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ नॉट हैव, टू हैव नॉट ए लैक टू स्टैंड ऑन। दिस इज द यूजेज इन इंग्लिश। यू इफ यू हैव नो विटनेस, you do not have to stand on, leg to stand on. Next one is a man in the street. A man in the street literally means a common man, साधारण व्यक्ति। Just like in the election day, all the people are just like a count ordinary man. Just like to win the election, he need to understand what the common man the street want. Just like अगर इलेक्शन होने वाले हैं, आप पॉलिटिशियन को उस एरिया या उस क्षेत्र से जीतना है, तो वहाँ के कॉमन मैन, ए मैन द स्ट्रीट के कॉमन नीड्स को जानना जरूरी है कि हाँ वहाँ के लोग क्या चाहते हैं। सो लिटरली नेक्स्ट वन इज ब्लड रनिंग कोल्ड। ब्लड रनिंग कोल्ड मीन्स डरा हुआ, बिकम वेरी फ्राइटेंड, बहुत ज़्यादा डर जाना। जस्ट लाइक वी आर गोइंग इन द नाइट एंड देयर इज नो पर्सन रोमिंग इन द रोड, सो देयर इज ए लिटिल अफ्रेड, you feel little afraid that someone come beside me or unwanted happen with me. So there is a little meaning of this idiom as we use in the English sentence. The screaming come from the old dark house made my blood turning cold. Just like पीछे से कोई आके भौंक कर देना तो आप डर जाते हो, तो वहाँ पे idiom यूज करते हैं blood running cold. Next one is come out of one snail, means to appear suddenly, अचानक आ जाना। Just like you are talking about somebody and he come in front of you, so then we say we are talking about you and you appear, then the meaning of idiom is comes out of one snail. Next, so this is the last idiom of our series. If you like this video, please give a comment and drop a like button. This will motivate us, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon that will give a notification when we upload a video. So sharing as much as possible to get knowledge and to other to get knowledge. शेयर करते रहिए और हमारे साथ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने रिलेटिव को शेयर कीजिए। थैंक यू एंड हैव ए नाइस डे।